So making my homemade apple cider to make some homemade apple cider donut holes. Stay tuned for how I did that. Next, we're going to go ahead and put in our cinnamon and sugar mixture. After that, we're going to go ahead and put in our brown sugar. I feel like a combination of the two really gives it a great texture and flavor. And then we're going to add in pumpkin pie spice. After that, you're going to go ahead and mix all the dry ingredients together with a metal whisk to make sure they're all nice and incorporated before you go on to the next step. Everything you need for this recipe is going to be in the description box down below. So I made my homemade apple cider, and then I have some flour here that we're going to add baking soda, baking powder, and salt all together. So we're mixing all of our dry ingredients first in the bowl. Next, you're going to take just one egg, buttermilk. This one I made homemade as well. There'll be recipes for that in the description box as well. And reduced down apple cider. So I took that homemade apple cider and boiled it until it was about half the amount in the pot. And last but not least, a half a stick of butter. You're going to beat all these ingredients until they're well combined. And then you're going to scrape down the sides of the bowl just to make sure that you have all the flour mix incorporated. And this is where I want to give you advice. Ideally, you should let this sit in the fridge overnight to kind of firm up before you start cooking it. If you have like a donut shaper, like one of the ones you can feed the dough into it, or the dough mixture, then by all means you can use this the day of. But if you want the best resulting donut holes, trust me, be patient, take a day, let it chill. Once you do that, if you have a cookie dough scooper, that's also ideal. I don't, because your girl is struggling. So I am using a spatula and a spoon. But I've also found, as I kept testing this recipe throughout the week, that using 2 spoons and kind of making it into a little small ball also works very well. Be patient when cooking these. Do not shoot your oil up to high, because you're going to have crispy outside and raw in the middle. So do like a medium, low, like cooking. After you gotten them out, drain them on paper towel or a rack, and then you're going to coat them in a cinnamon sugar mixture. And make sure they're nice and coated. So you're going to toss it around quite a bit of times and make sure it's evenly coated all around it. So you see how it's nicely coated? Take a big old bite, enjoy your hard work, and have a happy fall. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. If you haven't seen the previous video, go ahead and click on the box next to me. If you haven't already subscribed and this is your first time to the channel, the little logo down there, you go ahead and click on that and you're a part of the team. Now, see you in the next video. Bye!